As a DG instructor, please perform the following actions. Log into Crew Overview, then go to Instructor and choose the course. You will first of all see all the members that are inscribed in the course, and you can look at the details. Make sure that all the pre-requirements, for example, an e-learning module or classroom module, has been covered. Then you can go to the course again, and you can set a date where you want to do the practical training. Choose the candidate or all candidates, define a location, start and end date. This information will then be by email transmitted to the candidates so they know that this training has been scheduled and they need to appear. Also, we will have an additional email 24 hours before the course starts. Once that is done, you can go and start the confirmation of the participation of the candidates in the course. In order to do that, go to Instructor, then choose Sign Off Instructor, choose the candidate, slide the slider to the other side, and the training is confirmed. That's it.